Hello student, we are going to solve another JE advanced question which came in 2024. The question is if limit extends to 0 plus sine of kx plus cos x plus x to the power 2 by x is equal to e to the power 6, then value of k is 2, -1, 1 or 2. We have to find. Okay. Now for this solving this question we have to know only two things. The first one is sine x approximately equals to x if x tends to 0, and cos of x approximately 1 if x tends to 0, and another one indeterminate form of 1 to the power infinity. Okay, in that case how we find the limit extends to 0, f of x to the power g of x. You know that formula. Okay, I am just writing it down. So limit extends to 0, f of x minus 1 into g of x. Correct. So these two things we will use here, and within only 10 to 15 seconds the answer will come out. Okay, see, if we put the value of 0, limit extends to 0, 0 approximately, then sine of this one became k of x, and again for this function it will be k of x. Correct. So our simplest form for this limit will become kx plus, and cos x will tends to 1. Correct, and it is x to the power 2 by x is equal to e to the power 6. Any confusion? No confusion. Correct. Then limit extends to 0 plus, and here kx plus 1 plus x minus 1, this formula I am using. Okay, because if you put here 0 it will be 1 to the power infinity, that is this form. Correct. So that's why I am just using this formula. Then e to the power 6. Now if you simplify it further into 2 by x. Okay, and e to the power limit extends to 0 plus, here kx is out, k plus 1 into 2 by x. Correct. Then is equal to e to the power 6, x cancel, and you will write here x tends to 0 plus imply x not equals to 0. Okay, but this is MCQ kind of question, right? Yeah, I hope you know all these things, right? So e to the power 2 into k plus 1 will be on the left hand side, and right hand side e to the power 6. Now base are equal, therefore power will be equal. Correct. Very basic formula of indices, and your k will become 2. So the correct option is 2. Okay, so see, I took 1 minute to solve this. Okay, because I explained many things here, but if you know this formula and these basic things, only 10 to 15 seconds is required to solve this question. Correct. Thank you.